Hello and welcome to this edition of Wheelie's Tech Talk. Today we're going to cover assembly of the ATV Hitch Kit for the personal watercraft dollies. I've laid everything out that you'll be receiving and we'll start front to back. We get the coupler here and we'll raise the bar and line up the holes, drop the bolts through. And then we'll put the lock washers on, followed by the nuts. Let's get them finger tight for now. Next we'll install the connector. By doing the same thing. You might want to tap them a little bit sometimes. Get them go through. 2 more lock washers. 2 more nuts. And finally, we'll install the sleeve onto the end of the straight tongue section using the leftover hardware. We'll line these holes up to the corresponding holes in the tongue section. Install the bolts. Two more lock washers, followed by the nuts. And then using a adjustable wrench and 17mm socket, we'll go ahead and tighten up all these nuts until the lock washer flattens. And the nuts and bolts for the coupler. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.